It's a good news for business owners. The UAE CT law offers a significant relief for small business owners. Let's break it down. If your business revenue is less than 83 million during the relevant tax year and the previous one, you can choose to be treated as not having derived any taxable income. This means no UAE corporate tax if you meet the threshold. But remember, if your revenue exceeds 3 million, normal tax rates apply. This relief starts from 1st June 2023 and applies tax periods ending before or on 31st December 2026. Opting for this relief excludes certain provisions like exempt income relief, tax loss relief, and transfer pricing compliance requirements. The FTA may request records to verify compliance, so keep the documents in order. This relief will not be available to qualifying free-zone companies and the members of multinational enterprises group. Stay informed and make the most of this relief. For more details, contact the number given below. Thanks for watching.